In Excel sheet now I am talking about the formatting the text in a sheet. Okay, now see, this is the mark sheet for the students, so I am in one cell, so like this is the one cell, and also formatted the sheet. See here the red and this color is the black. Okay, also the bold, italic, underline, anything. Also the heading the title of the this I can select here, like center, like right from the left. Okay, so now this is in center. Also put here the color, any color, choose any color. Okay, this one, also this one, into from the center, the whole number put into the center, it's better. And the name should be from the right, you can so the right, and you can left also, so by default this is the left. Okay, also you can choose the color, like the ID and the name, which is the color, any color, choose the any color. And here the all into the formatted. Now this is the color, check here the any color. Okay, this is the color. Also the size, if you want the size, more size, then put here the more size. Okay, this will also put here the size. Okay, this is the size. This is the formatting of the cell with the different color, different style. Also see the serial number. Okay, now this one, and here all into the tabular form. See here, go to this one, and here choose the all borders. Okay, so this topic covers the formatting of the cell. Okay, thank you.